advance in the face of any storms, no matter how harsh they may be. All of you are young. Youth is itself the greatest treasure. At the same time, it also means that in the long journey of life that lies ahead of you, there will certainly be times of sorrow and pain. There may be times when you encounter unthinkable trials and tribulations that are beyond your wildest imagination. But always remember that as long as you have the courage to squarely confront these adversities, you will certainly be able to overcome them with awe. With powerful courage, you can transform any kind of misfortune and suffering into nourishment for your growth, into a driving force to fulfill your mission. And the ultimate courage is faith. Nichiren Daishonin says, "The Lion King fears no other beast, nor do its cubs." All of you have embraced the mystic law, a teaching that upholds the dignity of life. Therefore, there's no doubt that each and every one of you are cubs of the Lion King, without a single exception. For this reason, when you find yourself facing difficulties, remind yourself that now is the time to chant Daimoku and forge ahead passionately, burning with the heart of courage, with an unflagging spirit to challenge and a heart filled with hope. Be true to yourself and take one step forward at a time. There's no need to rush things. Be patient. Polish your knowledge. Cultivate good friends into individuals who can contribute to the betterment of society and peace of the world. My dear members of the primary and future divisions, I entrust you with the future of Koserofo. Please advance together, hand in hand, on the path of justice towards 2030, the year that marks the 100th anniversary of the Soka Gakkai's founding. I am sincerely praying every day for the continued good health and great growth of each and every one of you, whom I cherish with all my heart. I am also sending prayers for your happiness and of your family. Please cherish and take good care of your father and mother. Take care and stay well. August 8, 2013. Daisaku Ikeda, President, Soka Gakkai International. Thank you, Sensei, for his message.